Brad Biznett here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, I am completely familiar with the X-Pod.
Okay.
But we're standing in front of the X-Pod Plus. Tell me about the X-Pod Plus.
You want to know what the plus is in the X-Pod Plus, right?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay, great. Well, the first thing, the biggest plus, is that we have a battery pack on here now. Anybody with a Milwaukee battery platform can use a battery pack for those times when you're out of reach of a plug. You know, if you happen to find yourself in a situation where there's no power, well, you have 4 hours of power now with a battery pack. So this is a game changer for this machine.
Absolutely.
It actually, you know, makes it a lot more useful for those times when we just don't have the power available.
Sure.
Plus, we have a thumb drive that you can use for making a recording. You have one-touch recording, you do voiceover. This thing has a distance counter and a date and time and all that stuff. So if you need to make a recording for somebody and actually hand them the proof afterwards, you can do that. Plus, we have Wi-Fi built into this. For those people that actually like to use their smartphones or tablets, and that's the most preferred way to make a recording and send it to somebody, we have that option as well. Okay, so Wi-Fi is built in, it's on all the time. Plus, we have the reel cover. People have been saying, well, you know, it'd be nice if you had something to cover the reel that would allow us to sort of keep it nice and neat, you know, as we go through the house.
Sure.
Well, we have that. Plus, you can bring it off, you can take it off in a second and actually clean the push rod and do everything you need to do on this. Now, the push rod is the same gel rod we've been using for years. It's really durable and you can push it far away, and it holds up to abuse.
Okay.
The same self-leveling color camera that we've been using for years. It's as durable as anything in the marketplace. It's really good. And we have a good transmitter on there, a good locator. It's very, very accurate. All the other features of the X-Pod that have been there for years are still here, but with the pluses.
Sure. So, everything we know about the X-Pod plus a whole lot more.
A whole lot more.
Where can somebody go to get more information?
Well, they can go to our website, drainbrain.com. We have all kinds of information there. Plus, they can call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200, and they'll be able to fill you in.
Thank you so much, Dave.
You bet. Thank you.